Hello there once again. Today we're going to go ahead and install the 5 new mods that JKRojmal has released recently. This is JK War Maidens. We don't have ELFX, so don't get that patch. JK's Drunken Huntsman. JK's Belthor General Goods. The Bannered Mare. And Arcadias Cauldron. These should only take a few seconds to download because they're not very big mods. So go ahead and install them as you would any other mod. And enable them. For Vortex, as per usual, you'll need to go to the file location and manually extract them. Add new mod from folder each one of these. You'll need to then go ahead and open the mod files location of each and create a new data folder to move the plugin into. When you get to Drunken Huntsman, it's already got a new subfolder. Just rename it data and leave the rest where they are. And then, of course, go ahead and enable. Refresh on the left and enable on the right. Vortex users, as usual, install all or select all and enable all. Go ahead and give it a second to deploy and update those files. Vortex users, go ahead and run VFS and sort the load order. MO2 users, go ahead and use loot and sort the load order. These plugins have already been cleaned, so we don't need to go ahead and clean them, but as per usual, let's go ahead and check what conflicts there are. If you notice, all these conflicts are between one of the JK mods and USEP. Navigation meshes are something that I won't be covering for quite a while, how to properly patch them. So generally, if it's one mod overriding USEP, unless that navigation mesh has been deleted or flagged as deleted, then we will use that mod. Otherwise, if it's more than one navigation mesh overriding each other than USEP and the vanilla ones, then we will probably go into exploring how to fix it, disable all, enable unofficial Skyrim patch, and let's start enabling. Bannered Mare first. Bannered Mare is the easiest of these two to patch, simply because it's navigation meshes that we can go ahead and ignore these conflicts. So let's go ahead and select them, create mod group, and there we go. Disable Bannered Mare and enable Arcadias Cauldron. With Arcadias Cauldron, we have some movements of items. JK moves stuff around because it completely renovates the entire interior, whereas USEP moves stuff around just to get it to look correct, or fix some bug related to it. This is JK's conflict to win, so once again, and there we go. Next one, Drunken Huntsman. Once again, let's go ahead and check and see what conflicts. The ownership of a single place object. Here's where a patch is needed. go ahead and create the patch and move the ownership over into the patch so that it looks like this. As usual, add masters, sort masters, and we don't need a mod group, so go ahead and just save. Next one is JK's War Maidens. Once again, the conflicts between USEP and JK War Maidens is JK War Maidens patch to win. USEP has minor changes to fix something being stuck inside of something else or similar, and War Maidens has major changes to enable complete renovations of the interior. And the last one, Belethor's General Goods. Belethor's General Goods has 4 items, and it's just position and rotation on all 4, which means that this is once again a patch that JK Belethor's. Which means once again that this is something that JK Belethor Good should win. So go ahead and create a mod group. Finish it up, and you're good to go. With only 1 patch needed today, it's rather easy this time. As per usual, make sure to go ahead and sort your load order with loot again. If you're using Vortex, use Vortex. Using Cortex, just use Cortex sort. If you do not, you will notice JK Drunken Huntsman, the USEP patch will conflict with ELE, and probably RW2 as well, because it changes the load order. However, once you run loot, the red that was there before is now gone.